Hello everyone, I am Sandeep A. Kahate, Assistant Professor in Computer Engineering Department from Institute of Engineering, MET Bhujbal Knowledge City, Nasi. Welcomes you all in course introduction session, third year Computer Engineering, Elective 1B, Human Computer Interface. Why we are choose this subject? Because it's include that HCI, human means user, group of users, computer means desktop, laptop, mobiles, and interface means interaction of user with a computer. Then why we are studying this subject? Some course objectives are given. First, to understand the importance of HCI design process in software development, to learn a fundamental aspect of designing and implementing user interfaces, to study HCI with technical, cognitive, and functional perspective. Fourth is to acquire the knowledge about variety of effective human computer interactions, and fifth, to evaluate the technology with respect to adaptive changing user requirement in interacting with computer. Next, we will see the course outcomes of this HCI subject. Course outcomes: when with completion of the course, student will be able to design effective human computer interface for all kinds of users, apply and analyze the user interface with respect to golden rules of interface, analyze and evaluate the effectiveness of user interface design, implement the interactive design for the feasible data search and retrieval, analyze the scope of HCI in various paradigms like ubiquitous computing, virtual reality, multimedia, worldwide web related environment, analyze and identify user models, user support, stakeholder requirement of HCI system. Let's move into the course content. Course content is divided in 6 units. In first unit, introduction of foundation of HCI. In this, first point is given foundation means human memory, short term memory, long term memory, thinking, reasoning, problem solving thinking, emotional thinking. All these are given in a first unit. And importance of user interface also. In second unit, we will learn human perspective in interaction design process, know your user client interaction with a computer, design guidelines, navigating the interface, organizing the display, principles, determine the user skill levels, and theories. In third unit, we will see the interaction style of HCI in software process, design, process of interaction design, interaction styles, graphical user interface with GUI, web user interface, it's related to popularity and characteristic, merging of graphics business system and web characteristic. In fourth unit, we will learn usability evaluation and universal design, user interface design process, designing for people, 7 commands, usability assessment in design process, common usability problems, practical and objective measures of usability, Gomes model, evaluation framework, paradigms and the techniques. All these are we are learn in fourth unit. In fifth unit, SCI paradigms. Paradigms for the interaction, time sharing, video display unit, programming toolkits, personal computing, ubiquitous computing, sensor based and content aware interaction, pattern recognition, introduction, example, role of machine learning. You will also learn machine learning concept in this HCI, pattern recognition process, pattern recognition in HCI. And in last unit, we will learn HCI for the mobile and handheld devices. In this unit, some contents are given related to designing for the mobile and other devices. Anatomy of mobile apps, mobile form factors, handheld format apps, tablet format, mini tablet format. All these are including in a design for the mobile and other devices. In other devices, design of kiosks, designing for the 10-foot interface, design for the automotive interface, designing for the audible interface. So you can welcome in human computer interface. Thank you all.